wind's going to be back.
You know, in some spots they are. Here in the metro area, not as windy as we had yesterday, but you can even see just in the numbers now, Eastern Plains, we have winds 20, 25 miles an hour out the door early this morning. That's where we're going to see some of the windier conditions as we take you through the day. Again, you can see this area of blue off into the Eastern Plains. That's sustained winds 10 to 30 miles an hour. Again, we'll be tracking gusts up to about 35, even 40 at times. So that's where we'll have the stronger winds here in the metro area. Not too bad. Winds south-southeast at around 7 miles an hour, 66 degrees. It's a nice start to the day. A few clouds out there, but we are dry and we're comfortable. And as we talk about some of the temperatures in the metro area, most of us nice and pleasant with the 60s, a few 50s in Sandia Park and Tejeras, also in the North Valley where it is 52 degrees. But area wide, we start to get a little more mild as we get southward. We've got the mid 70s in Alamogordo and in Carlsbad right now, where it's 75, but then some 40s in Alamosa and in Taos this morning. We've also been tracking a few isolated showers, but they're actually fading and they've been winding down. Not a lot of this is actually reaching the ground, but a few light showers definitely possible down into the south and east. You can see the clouds, so pretty present, I should say, throughout the morning hours. We'll keep it partly cloudy through the afternoon as well. And then we're going to be tracking our next front. This is going to bring us the chance for showers and storms, but mainly for our northeastern and eastern zones. So taking you through superstorm track today, Taos, Raton, Las Vegas, you have that chance for some isolated showers. Much of the area, though, as we get south into the west, will remain dry for today, but that'll change as we get you into your Friday. I'll show you that coming up. But for today, planning ahead with your day planner, we'll have the mid 80s through lunchtime, 84 degrees. Wind southwest, not too bad at around 3 miles an hour. By 5 o'clock, a southwest wind at around 8, and we'll be at about 89 degrees with our peak temperature today in Albuquerque climbing to 91 degrees. So still warm, but you can see down into our southern zone statewide, it's not going to be as hot today. We got to 107 yesterday in Carlsbad. Today we'll reach about 98 degrees, so almost a 10-degree drop. Hobbs will get to 93 and Roswell 94. But by tomorrow, winds will turn more out of the south. It's going to pump more of that heat back into the area. It's also going to help us with the moisture. We're going to see a better chance for some scattered showers and storms along the central mountain chain and westward Friday and Saturday. But with the winds coming with that, we do have the fire weather watch that's already in place for our Friday and Saturday afternoon. But let's take you through the next couple of days. Southern Colorado, partly cloudy skies, spot showers. We'll get to 84. In Durango, we'll have a repeat for tomorrow, 84 with a spot shower chance. As we take you into the north and west, partly cloudy and breezy with the 80s and 90s. Farmington up to 91, and we'll stay in the 90s tomorrow with the mid 80s and the sunshine returning for the weekend. Into the south and west, breezy with a southwest wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. No extreme heat today, but we will have some 90s. We'll get to 99 degrees in Alamogordo, and you're our front runner today. The hottest spot in New Mexico. By tomorrow, we'll have upper 80s with the chance for some dry thunderstorms. Into the south and east, partly cloudy skies. Isolated dry storms today will be possible. Temperatures will be in the 80s and 90s. Roswell will get to 94 degrees. Carlsbad 98. Tomorrow we'll repeat this heat with the mid and upper 90s, and we'll also see the chance for some dry storms before heating things right back up this weekend. Triple digits by Saturday. In the northeast, scattered showers and storms possible with that front moving in. Winds southeast 15 to 25 miles an hour with 70s and 80s. Our rain chance sticks around tomorrow as well. Then into the northern mountains, we'll have the 60s and 70s, especially at higher elevations. Red River, Angel Fire, Chama. We get you lower elevations. Espanola will get to about 88 degrees, but we'll track the chance for rain and storms today and tomorrow. Into the east mountains today, coming off the mountain slope, we are going to have some windier skies. A west wind 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to about 35. Could see a spot storm, and we'll look for mid 80s here in the metro area. Partly cloudy and warm with the low 90s. The heights 90 right on the dot. South Valley 91 degrees, and also downtown we'll get to 91 tomorrow. Here still in the 90s, still hot. It will be a little bit windier tomorrow as well, but I am putting the chance for rain and even an isolated storm in the forecast for today. I've kept it out all week, but really I think we're going to have a good enough chance to get at least 1 or 2 spots of wet weather, so I've thrown it in our 7-day.
So